ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
My friends, I want to talk for a few minutes with the people of the United States about banking. We have had a bad banking situation. Some of our bankers have shown themselves either incompetent or dishonest in their handling of the people's funds. When you deposit money in a bank, the bank does not put the money into a safe deposit vault. It invests your money in bonds and commercial paper and mortgages and in many other kinds of loans. A comparatively small part of the money that you put into the bank is kept in currency. Because of undermined confidence on the part of the public, there was a general rush by a large portion of our population to turn bank deposits into currency or gold. A rush so great that the soundest banks couldn't get enough currency to meet the demand. By the afternoon of March 3rd, scarcely a bank in the country was open to do business. It was then that I issued the proclamation providing for the national bank holiday. And this was the first step in the government's reconstruction of our financial and economic fabric. We have provided the machinery to restore our financial system, and it is up to you to support and make it work. It is your problem, my friend, your problem no less than it is mine. Together, we cannot fail.